Got Android? Here are the iTunes features that work for you. Are you able to sync iTunes and Android? Deciding to purchase an Android machine moderately than an iPhone does not imply it's important to flip your again on the super choice of music, motion pictures, and different nice media out there in iTunes. Whether or not it is music or motion pictures, apps, or the iTunes program itself, some Android customers might wish to use iTunes, or no less than get its content material. However, in terms of iTunes and Android, what works and what would not? The knowledge on this article ought to apply regardless of who made your Android cell phone. Whether or not you have acquired a cell phone from Samsung, Google, Huawei, Xiaomi, or any of the numerous different Android makers, the following tips apply. Taking part in iTunes Music on Android, sure. Music downloaded from iTunes is appropriate with Android phones generally. Music bought from iTunes is within the AAC format, which Android has built-in help for. The exception to this is songs purchased from iTunes previous to the April 2009 introduction of the DRM-free iTunes Plus format. These information, which use the protected AAC format, will not work on Android. As a result of it would not help iTunes Digital Rights Administration, DRM. Nevertheless, you'll be able to upgrade these songs to Android-compatible AAC information. Taking part in Apple Music on Android, sure. If you happen to are searching for iTunes for Android with the intention to get entry to all of the music from the iTunes retailer, you're in luck. Apple Music runs on Android, too. Meaning you get limitless entry to the tens of hundreds of thousands of songs in Apple Music. The Apple Music streaming service is notable as a result of it represents Apple's first main Android app. Up to now, Apple solely made iOS apps. Apple Music replaces the Beats Music service and app, and that ran on Android. Due to that, Apple Music is offered to Android customers, too. Taking part in podcasts from iTunes on Android, type of. Why would you attempt to use iTunes to get podcasts to your Android? Google Play, Spotify, and Stitcher, all apps that run on Android, have sizable podcast libraries. Technically, you may obtain podcasts from iTunes and sync them to your Android, or discover a third-party podcast app that permits you to subscribe to iTunes for downloads, but it surely is in all probability less complicated to only use a type of apps. Taking part in iTunes Movies on Android, no. All motion pictures and TV reveals rented or purchased from iTunes have Digital Rights Administration restrictions. As a result of Android would not help Apple's iTunes DRM, movies rented or purchased from iTunes will not work on Android. However, another sorts of video saved in an iTunes library, similar to that recorded utilizing the Digicam on an iPhone, are appropriate with Android. If you happen to get software programmed to take away DRM or that does that as a part of changing an iTunes video file to a different format, you need to have the ability to create an Android-compatible file. The legality of these approaches is questionable, although operating iPhone apps on Android, no. Alas, iPhone apps do not run on Android. With the massive library of compelling apps and video games on the App Store, some Android customers may might use iPhone apps, however identical to the Mac model of a program will not run on home Windows. iOS apps cannot run on Android. The Google Play retailer for Android does provide nicely over 1 million apps, and lots of them have each Android and iOS variations. Studying Apple Books on Android, no. Studying ebooks purchased from Apple's Apple Books store requires working the Apple Books, previously iBooks, app. And since Android gadgets cannot run iPhone apps, Apple Books is a no-go on Android, until, like with movies, you utilize software program to take away the DRM from the Apple Books file. In that situation, Apple Books information are simply EPUB information. Fortunately, there are a number of other great ebook apps that do work on Android, like Amazon's Kindle. Syncing iTunes and Android, sure. One of many key issues iTunes does for iOS gadgets is sync information between the machine and a desktop laptop. If you happen to are searching for iTunes for Android with the intention to sync together with your laptop, you have acquired some choices. Whereas iTunes will not sync media and different information to Android gadgets by default, with Slightly Work and a third-party utility, the two can discuss to one another. Apps that may sync iTunes and Android embrace Double Twist Sync from Double Twist and iSync from JRT Studio. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.